Have you ever wondered where the journey of a microchip begins? It starts with the birth of a silicon ingot. Pure silicon is heated until molten, then slowly cooled to form a single crystal structure. This process gives us a perfectly structured silicon ingot, ready for the next step. Now that we have our silicon ingot, what's next? The ingot begins a transformation, meticulously sliced into thin, precise wafers, each a potential chip. This process of precision and care is known as dicing. With our silicon wafers ready, we move on to the next phase. Ever wondered how the intricate circuits are etched onto a chip? Well, it all starts with lithography mask making. This mask holds the blueprint of the circuit, set to be imprinted onto the silicon wafer. With our mask ready, we can now move on to the actual lithography. How does the circuit pattern get transferred to the silicon wafer? This magic happens through a process called lithography. It's like photography, but instead of capturing images, we're etching intricate patterns onto the silicon wafer using light. With our circuit pattern etched onto the wafer, we're ready for the final stages. How does the chip connect with the rest of the device? Good question. It's all about wire bonding, where minuscule wires are meticulously bonded to the chip. These wires create the vital connections, enabling the chip to converse with the entire device. Our chip is now fully functional and ready to be packaged. Now that we have a fully functional chip, how do we protect it? Well, this is where packaging comes into play. The chip is delicately housed within a protective casing. This isn't just to keep it safe from the occasional bump or drop, but it's also an essential shield against environmental factors that could potentially harm the chip. These can range from dust and moisture to electromagnetic interference. The casing also serves another practical purpose. It makes the microchip easier to handle, and more importantly, it facilitates the integration of the chip into various electronic devices. This could be anything from your smartphone to the computer systems in your car. And there you have it, a fully packaged microchip, ready for use in a myriad of electronic devices.